Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply place your order on 1688 shopping app and the new easy way to add items to cart on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your hourly pay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on the new way to add product to cart and place your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. A very quick guide. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 app. I'm going to click on here to open up my 1688 shopping app. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to search for the product that you want to add to cart and you want to place order for on 1688. So there are so many ways to do that. One of the first easy way is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product right here, and you see a similar result. For instance, I'm looking for bedroom slippers, so I will simply click on here and type in bedroom slippers and hit search. So once you hit search, you are going to see a similar result as far as bedroom slippers is concerned. You can scroll down and see the one you like. The more you scroll down, the more you see different types of slippers as the case may be. Alternatively, you can simply come to the top right here, click on this camera icon. This allows you to upload the picture sample of the product you are looking for. Once you upload the picture sample of the product you are looking for, you see a similar result as the case may be. Then let's go back to the home page. Go back to the home page. Then from the home page right here, there are other ways to search for products is to look for direct manufacturer. And for you to do that, simply click on here. And then once you click on that, you see all the manufacturer from different category across China, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see different manufacturer in this category. It's that simple. Once you are able to source for the right product, the next thing you need to do is to see how you can add the product to cart and proceed to place your order successful on 1688. So let's find out. All right, so for this particular product right here, I'm going to add the product to cart and proceed to place the order. There are so many products I want to add to cart, but I'm going to use this as an example. Then you can apply the same system and method to add products to cart. And for you to add a product to cart in a new way, what you need to do is to simply click on here. So this is going to pump up. And here, this is where you select sizes and quantity according to sizes that you want right here in this category. So in this tutorial, I need size 38, 37, 38, I need just one. Then I need 40, 41, I need just one. Then I need 43, 44, I need just one. It's that simple. Once you select each of the product according to the quantity, click on here to add them to cart successfully. After a successful add all the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Then it's going to take you right here where you see all the products you have in your cart. So like I said in the beginning of this video, there are so much more products I'm going to buy, but I'm going to use this as an example and show you how you can simply add a product to cart before you can place the order. After you have successfully add a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to select the order one after the other. So I'm going to click on here to select this. Then I'm going to simply scroll down and select this. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to select this. That's simple. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to check out. Just like so, from the checkout right here, you see all the products right here. You can simply scroll down and check on the preview of everything before you proceed to payment, just like what you see right here. Okay. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here, enter your payment password. So payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to close this pump up. Then the next thing we want to do is to go back to profile, go back. Then for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. Then by the time we get to profile, all the products we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So you can see everything right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to place your order and how to add your product to cart on 1688 Chinese shopping app, a very quick guide. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.